Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 18th. Mount St. Helens Eruption, 1980. On May 18, 1980, Mount St. Helens, a volcano in Washington state, erupted violently. It was one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in U.S. history. The explosion sent a 80,000 feet into the air and caused a massive landslide. The eruption killed 57 people and destroyed hundreds of homes, roads, and bridges. The blast flattened trees in a 230-square-mile area. It left a huge crater where the mountain top once stood. Apollo 10 launch 1969. On May 18, 1969, NASA launched Apollo 10, a major mission that tested all parts of the moon landing except the actual landing itself. It orbited the moon and brought the lunar module within 9 miles of the surface. This mission was like a final dress rehearsal for Apollo 11, which would land 2 months later. The crew Thomas Stafford, John Young, and Eugene Cernan made a successful return. Their mission helped confirm that all systems were ready. It paved the way for the historic moon landing in July. The Battle of Las Piedras, 1811. On May 18, 1811, the Battle of Las Piedras took place in Uruguay during its fight for independence from Spain. The rebel forces, led by José Gervasio Artigas, won a major victory. This battle became a symbol of Uruguay's struggle for freedom. It was one of the first key steps toward eventual independence. Today, Uruguay celebrates May 18th as a national holiday. It honors the courage and unity of the people in their fight for liberty. Jackie Cochran breaks sound barrier, 1953. On May 18, 1953, American pilot Jackie Cochran became the first woman to break the sound barrier. She flew an F-86 Sabre jet at speeds faster than sound. This achievement made her one of the most famous female pilots in history. Jackie was already known for setting many flying records. Breaking the sound barrier showed that women could achieve just as much in aviation as men. Her flight inspired many future generations of women pilots. Plessy v. Ferguson decision, 1896. On May 18, 1896, the U.S. Supreme Court delivered its decision in the Plessy v. Ferguson case. The ruling declared that racial segregation was legal as long as facilities were separate but equal. This decision upheld segregation laws for more than 50 years. It allowed public places like schools, trains, and restaurants to remain divided by race. The decision was finally overturned in 1954. Still, it shaped racial policies in America for decades. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.